Hi everyone and welcome to the channel again. In this video, I will explain to you in details how to buy US and international stocks from the UAE. We will be covering the following points: how to set your investing account, how to deposit money to your account, and we will do a buy stocks live. Well, to invest in the US stocks, you need to open a brokerage account. There are multiple brokers that you can use while in the UAE, such as Saxo Bank, Swissquote, Interactive Brokers, and eToro. But in this tutorial, we will talk only about eToro. We chose eToro because it's a user-friendly platform, especially for beginners. It requires low minimum deposit and also it offers zero commissions for trading stocks. That's why we believe it's one of the best platforms in the market. Alright, so if you haven't signed up yet, you can use the link in the description box below. When you click on that link, you will be directed to this page where you need to create a username and provide your email address and create a password. Accept the terms and conditions and press join now. If you have already an account in eToro, you can skip this step and watch from the following steps. Okay, when you finish from entering your username and password, you will come to the platform homepage. So before we talk about how it works, we have to complete our profile to get verified. Go to complete profile and then continue. So you will have to put your first name, last name, choose your gender and the birthday. Alright, the next step is to put your address. Choose the city, the country, and put your passport number. It's highly recommended that you choose the same address as written on your utility bill. Just make sure you click on the I'm not US citizen and then click next. Next, the platform will ask you about your trading experience. Make sure you choose whatever is appropriate to you. Alright, next would be about putting your leverage trading experience. If you are a beginner, most likely you wouldn't know how to trade on leverage. Leverage is included in CFDs, future, options, forex, and etc. However, if you choose never, you will get a message that leverage trading may be restricted to those who have no experience and you will be limited. So I would recommend to put 1 to 10, but always be careful that leverage trading hold a lot of risks. Click next. Next step, the platform will ask about your trading knowledge. If you have any professional certificate, academic degree, or you have attended any trading courses, feel free to choose whatever is relevant to you. However, if you choose I have no financial knowledge, you will be restricted to certain products in the platform. So I will go and choose I have attended trading courses and I will click next. Alright, next step is a simple question to test your trading knowledge. You might get a different question than what I got here, but I will choose what is relevant in this selection and I will click next. Okay, the next step would be choosing the instrument you are planning to invest. The good thing about eToro platform that you can consolidate multiple investments in one platform. So you can choose to invest in stock, crypto commodities, currencies and indices, and then you can click next. Okay, the next step is to check your trading strategy. How long do you plan to leave your positions open? Are you a type of person who have few seconds positions or up to 24 hours, up to weeks, or a long-term investors that you hold your position for months and years? You choose your style and then click next. Next one is the purpose of your trading. Are you trading for short-term returns, additional revenues, future planning, or saving for a home? I will choose additional revenues and click next. Alright, the next step will be choosing your attitude to risk. So first you will have to choose how much you're planning to deposit in your eToro platform. So for the sake of this example, we will choose 5 to 20. Then you will be asked to provide which risk reward scenario best describes you. So are you a type of person who is willing to gain 80%, but you're okay to risk 48% of your capital, 40 to 24, 20 to 12? I will choose 20 to 12 for this example, and then we'll click next. Then there's a question, does any of the following apply to you? I believe it will not be applicable for most of the people. Are you a director or a 10% shareholder of a publicly traded corporation, employed by a brokerage firm? I will choose none of these apply to me and I will click next. All right, next one is your financial status. Select one of your source of income. Is it salary, investment, saving? We'll choose saving. What is your occupation? Choose your occupation. And then provide your company name, annual income, total cash, and next. All right, so next step, it's straightforward. You select the country code and you put your phone number. After that, you will be directed to the final stage where you have to upload your passport or your ID, two sides, and then you will have to put your tax information if you are from tax countries. Then you are ready to start trading. Okay, so this is the home page and the standard watch list for the platform. You can start by creating your own watch list. Go to my watch list, put create watch list, give a name, and then create new list. You can add your individual stocks here or whatever you want to watch, or you discover by market. Go to add markets, stock, exchange, go to NASDAQ, and start adding your favorite stocks. And here it is. How to deposit funds? Depositing funds is very simple. Go to the menu, choose deposit funds at the end of the menu. Then you choose the payment method. You can deposit through your debit, credit card, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and bank transfer. However, if you chose to fund your account by credit card, most probably you will cite the fund in a second. Simply choose the credit card, put your card details, and deposit. Okay, so before we start buying the stocks, I wanted to draw your attention that you can try with a virtual portfolio to get familiar with the platform before you start investing with your real money. You can go to virtual portfolio and then you will have $100,000 virtual money and you can start trading and experiencing all the features in the platform. It's highly recommended to start with a virtual portfolio, do some trades, buy and sell, and so you get familiar with the platform. Then you can start trading with your own money. So, how to start buying the stocks? If you go back to the watch list, you can either search for your favorite stock or you can choose it from the watch list here. So let's say you wanted to buy an Apple stock. You click on Apple. Here you will see the feed. It's the other investors on the platform who are putting some information or their own opinion about the stocks analysis. This is because eToro is a social trading platform. And here you can see some statistics and financials about the company. It's very important section to see here. You can view it by 1 week, months, or years or the maximum. And here you can see some financials about your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, the revenues. You can view it quarterly or annually. Also, you can read the company profile here. And then the chart, if you want to do your technical analysis. It's not the best platform to do your technical analysis, but it does the job. And the research section, you have to deposit real money to see the research. Actually, here you can see the experts, how they are optimistic or pessimistic about this company and their own opinion, whether to buy, hold, or sell. Then you can go to trade. So here you will see the stock price, and then here you will choose the amount that you are willing to invest. Let's say you wanted to invest $500. You can either choose an amount or a number of stocks. For example, if you wanted to buy 5 units, here it will show that it will cost you 650, or you will choose an amount here. Let's say you chose $50. So here it shows you that you can buy 0.38 units. Here it comes the fractional shares. This is the best, one of the best features about the platform is that it allows you to buy a fractional shares. You don't have to pay the full 130 to invest in Apple stock. You can invest with as little as $50 and you can buy a fraction of the share. Here, if you want to leverage your position, this is a bit advanced. This is using the platform leverage. We will cover the leverage in other videos, but here we are talking only about the basics of buying and owning the assets of the stocks. So here the platform says you are buying the underlying assets, it's commission free, and then you can open trade, order filled. So if you want to see where is your trade, where the open position, you go to your portfolio and then you will see the Apple stock you bought 0.38 units. This is the price you bought on, invested $50, and this is your profit. Okay, so another way of buying stocks, if you don't have a stock in your mind and you want to view what is available, you can go under Discover section to Trade Markets. These trade markets, you can see what is featured in the platform, the market movers, the technology. Let's say you want to buy stocks only, so you can filter here by stocks. And then you can view technology sectors, consumer goods, services, financials, healthcare. So it's another way of viewing the stocks and industry. For example, you want to invest in the healthcare stocks, you can view all, and this will show you the different stocks under the healthcare. You see the prices, the performance. You can add it to your watch list from here by clicking here, and you can simply trade the stocks here. So let's say we want to buy ABBV. You can trade, you can choose the amount you want to buy and open trade. Go to your portfolio, it will be added here. One important point I wanted to tell you about also is how to limit your risk and stop your losses. For example, if you invested in one stock, but you're not checking the platform regularly, so you can set an amount that if your losses exceeded that amount, the position will be closed automatically. So your losses will be limited to that amount. So take an example. Tesla stock. If you want to buy the stock, you choose $1,000. Here in the stop loss section, you can click, you can choose an amount, and you can set, for example, $200. So if your losses reach to $200, the position will be automatically closed. You will not lose more than the $200. Similarly to profit, you can set an amount for taking profit. Also, let's use $200. So if your profits reach to $200, your position will be automatically closed. Then open the trade. Okay, so the last thing I want to cover before we talk about how to withdraw your money is to copying people. So this is what eToro always leverage on their social media and on their campaigns. So they are a social trading platform. So if you don't have any experience in trading stocks, if you need some more time but still you want to invest, you can check other investors on the platform and you can copy their trades. So simply go under Discover to copy people. And here the platform will show you the best performing investors on the platform. You can have multiple filters, gained at least 10%, or you can choose more. You can choose any other specific location, people from the UK or any other country. You can see here the profits they're making and the risk profile. So the higher this number is, the riskier the person was in his or her trading. And then if you see, for example, just randomly check one person, you can see the performance of this person here. You can see the portfolio he's holding, what stocks or ETFs or any financial instrument he's holding. And then you can copy him. So here you will choose the amount that you want to copy this person, for example, $500. And then if you want, you can copy the open trades. So basically, if you choose to copy the open trades, all this position that he has will be copied to your portfolio with the $500 that you chose. Otherwise, if you don't choose it and you start copying this person, you will not have any of these open positions. The only thing is that in the future, whenever this person decide to open a position, you will be copying that future position. Okay, so how to withdraw your money? Before withdrawing, you need to sell your positions. So simply go to your portfolio, choose the position you want to close, and go to the X button, choose close trade, and then you will have the money back in your available balance. From the menu, go to withdraw funds, choose the amount you want to withdraw, and continue. This will not allow me to draw because it's a virtual version. Just keep in your mind, very important note is that you can only withdraw the funds to the same source you funded it from. For example, if you deposited 1000 dirhams from your credit card, you can withdraw the 1000 dirham to your credit card only. You cannot choose any other payment options. Now, let's say you made some profit, you made 200 dirham profit. So now you have 1200. So the 1000, you have to withdraw it to your credit card, and the excess amount, which is your profits, the 200 dirham, you can choose any of these payment options to withdraw the fund to. Alright, so a couple of points before we end this video. Invest only what you can afford to lose. If you are a beginner, stay away from CFDs and trading with leverage. Trading CFDs have high risks. Everything in this video was not a financial advice, it was only for example purposes. Do your own research and make your own decisions. Happy trading and thank you for watching. If you think this video is useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you.